What's going on, guys, and welcome to another episode of Amazing A-Frames. And also this week this show will be loaded with amazing A-Frames, and I picked out I would say 8 to 10, 12, maybe 12 A-Frames that we are dropping this week. And make sure to stop by the store because there will be nearly everyday restocks of real gems because we got a lot of new stuff and also a lot of restocks. But before we go into this, I would like to thank you very much for your support for this channel. Please hit the like button if you like the video, and more important, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please also subscribe to the channel. This will help my work a lot, the channel a lot, and let's grow the community together and join the best hat community on this planet, the Topperzstore family. So I talked enough, and now let's go into amazing A-Frames. And I would like to start with, let me check. Let's start with some super clean styles. And I would like to show these two to you. So look at these beauties. These two. So we had already like 3 or 4 months ago a pack of real classics with super nice script logos on the side, and this is another one. So the Colorado Rockies, they remind me a lot of super classic baseball hats like back in the days. You got the CR in the front with the metallic silver, you got black and purple, then you got the Colorado script on the side, and you also got a nice purple snap on the back. Gray UV, black guts. This is the Colorado Rockies, and oh my god, we need to bring back this logo also to a fitted. It's a beautiful logo. The Sox script in the front, super bold with the White Sox script on the side. And look at this beautiful navy red combo, red button, two-tone, and also a red snap on the back. Very, very nice. Gray UV, black guts. Let's go a little bit more crazy, right? You know that we love to work with the old gold logos. And we already made some other teams, and now also the San Francisco Giants are with the total golden rose 24K. And look at this beautiful 60th anniversary side patch. I mean, this is absolutely crazy, super nice details. And you can see, due to the fact that the embroidery is always in a different direction, right? You can also see all these details. And look at this. This looks absolutely amazing. When you have this one in hand, you will absolutely love it. That's guaranteed. All black, black snapback on the back, gray UV, black guts. The 24K rose from the San Francisco Giants. So many hats here. It's absolutely crazy. Now, I got a new side patch for you guys. On this hat for this time. Last time we had it with both logos in the front, and there were a lot of discussions like, are people wearing a hat where a Yankees and the New York Mets logo is on the front? And hell yeah, a lot of people. And the first patch sold out. So, I mean, I think it's more like a fashion statement, right? And I'm super glad that you like it, you know? And you should always buy what you like. No matter what other people say, buy what you like. That's very important. And now I have it for the Mets fans here. If you want to have this side patch, I made a super clean one with one of my favorite scripts of the New York Mets in the front. The New York in the classic colorway, royal and orange. And then you have this beautiful side patch on the side, split it in the middle. Subway Series. You got Yankees color and then you got Mets colors. Beautiful side patch here on the side. Gray UV, black guts, the New York Mets, 25th anniversary of the Subway Series, black snap on the back. So there's a lot of variety that you can see, and we have just started. So there's much more stuff coming over the next week, so stay tuned. And again, I would like to say thank you, because without you guys, this wouldn't be possible that we do that many great hats and try so many different things. Look at this one. Oh my god. LA Bleeds Blue, another version. You were asking for that in royal, and this time you can already see the top is metallic blue, and this looks absolutely amazing with the drips. I hope you can see this here. And then you got this beautiful LA Bleeds Blue side patch. It pops off so good because it's metallic, it's super shiny. Look at this, how shiny this is. And then you got also in the same color a snapback on the back. Gray UV, Black Guts, LA Dodgers, LA Bleeds Blue. All right. Time for something new. So we got this week 3 NHL hats for you. Then I got vintage truckers for you coming up. And 2 more beautiful chrome domes. And I can't wait to show them to you because I really want to know your feedback on these. So let's go into the NHL hats and start with this. The champions, they are now first hat that I want to show off. All-Star Game Florida 2003. And this time it's made in copper and this looks amazing. Look how shiny and detailed this front logo from the Florida Panthers is. All-Star Game side patch, also absolutely beautiful. Black snap on the back, all black hat, gray UV, black guts. Next one, probably my favorite out of the NHL pack. The New Jersey Devils, and this two-tone is a beauty. Look at this. You got gold added to the black and red. I mean, come on. It's beautiful, red, black, red. Goes so well together. Super nice two-tone, black and red. The New Jersey Devils logo, always a winner. Then you got a red snap on the back, gray UV, black guts. Beautiful. And now, last but not least, a takedown from a 5950 that we did. For all of you guys who wanted to have it on a snap, there we go. Chicago Blackhawks with this crazy stadium side patch. And this patch, look at this here, the clouds, everything, so much details into the in this side patch. Beautiful. And then you got the Blackhawks logo in the front with this metallic copper, stone, green, two-tone, green snap on the back, gray UV, black guts, beautiful hat. And this is the NHL pack. Consists of 3 hats, contains 3 hats, and this is dropping this week at Topperzstore. So, a lot of you guys, I know that you like 940 A-frames truckers, right? And this time I wanted to make something very special with a vintage looking hat, okay? So trucker hat without a side patch. And my rep and I, we found some super nice vintage logos in the system. And then we said, okay, let's create 4 different hats with beautiful stone mesh, which looks really aged, right? It looks really, really good. I'll show you also the snap on the back. So the first one is the LA Dodgers. Bold script in the front, and as I said, this mesh is super soft and it's like stone color, so it looks a little bit used, right? But come on, this is really, really cool. And then you also got the stone snap on the back. I mean, this is a really, really nice hat you can wear every day, especially when it's hot in summertime. The next one, so 4 teams. We got 4 teams. Fingers crossed your team is in there. So we got the Boston Red Sox in navy. And you can also see here again, the Boston Red Sox script in the front, very bold. Super nice hats. All of them have gray UV and black guts. Then we got the New York Mets. And last but not least, the New York Yankees in navy and come on, this looks absolutely vintage, right? Beautiful script. This is raised in the front. The rest is flat embroidered. This is the vintage trucker pack, which is releasing this week at Topperzstore. So, 2 more hats for you guys. One is also a takedown, which is a beauty, right? So, we made this as an homage to a very famous player from the Seattle Mariners. You know who I'm talking about. 40th anniversary side patch, and then you got this kanji logo in the front. Very bold logo. Chrome and this aqua color goes so well together, and you can also see the embroidery. This looks super shiny. Look at this. It's not metallic, but this aqua looks perfect on the chrome. And then you got a chrome snap on the back, gray UV and black guts. And last but not least, guys, this is probably my favorite hat out of this week's drops. Probably after the Mets one. Probably after the Mets one, okay? So, for a long time, there were no ice blue UVs at Topperzstore. And now look at this crazy thing. So we got the Philadelphia Phillies iced out. We got this super nice oceanside blue button visor. Then you got this ICP in the front. You got the Phillies All-Star Game side patch, and matching to that, the super nice icy UV. You got this beautiful navy, no, it's not navy, it's oceanside blue snapback, but this thing is shiny. And look how accurate this embroidery is. Super sharp. It looks like made of metal, but very, very beautiful. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think about this week's releases? Do you like, for example, icy blue UVs? Do you want to see more UVs that are colored? And if yes, let me know which colors you would like to see next at Topperzstore and at Topperzstore USA. Check out our stores. We are dropping new hats every day on both stores. No matter where you want to shop, you will get a huge selection of MLB, NHL, NFL, NASCAR, soccer, Major League Soccer, whatever. We have everything related to sports and much more. So check out the store. And if you have any questions, I am always here for you. Join also our Discord. It's linked in the description below. So thank you guys very much for tuning in this week. I hope to see you guys again on Sunday with my top 3 fitted hats of the week from Topperzstore and Topperzstore USA. And join the stream on Monday where I'm showing off live on YouTube all the upcoming releases at Topperzstore and Topperzstore USA. Whew! What a show again. Thank you guys very much for tuning in, and I hope to see you next time. I'm out.